Welcome to WinAirvideo. The new bus terminal at the corner of Tecumseh Road East and Lauzon Parkway in Windsor, Ontario, is set to replace the existing facility at the Tecumseh Mall, consolidating all active bus routes that currently operate out of the mall terminal. This move is part of an extensive upgrade to the city's transit infrastructure, designed to improve convenience and accessibility for East Side residents, and is scheduled to open in 2026. The terminal is being constructed on the intersection's northwest corner of Lauzon Parkway and Tecumseh Road East, approximately 250 meters from the existing bus terminal at the Tecumseh Mall. This location leverages access to major arterial roads and local businesses in the area, facilitating better connections for commuters. The new facility will feature improved waiting areas, a central building for drivers and staff, and enhanced amenities such as washrooms and bike parking are being considered based on resident feedback. Pedestrian safety and access to essential services were highlighted as important factors in the design. As part of the 2025 Transit Windsor Service Plan, the terminal launch coincides with major system-wide upgrade that introduces more than 20,000 new service hours, new routes, extended surface frequencies, and updated stop infrastructure. Great news for transit users in Windsor. Community reaction has been mixed, with some residents welcoming the improved transit access, while others express concerns about walkability and proximity to services. City Council approved a budget of approximately $5 million for the terminal, with completion anticipated in 2026, pending the final environmental assessment and construction milestones. Catherine Street runs behind the new bus station, parallel to Tecumseh Road, and continues between the Home Depot and the new Costco. The Costco development is welcome news, bringing jobs into Windsor, especially during the crisis Ontario's auto industry is facing. However, that's another story, and this is about the new bus station and traffic patterns for East Windsor. I'd like a moment to ask for your subscription. It's free and really does help the channel. Keep these videos coming. Subscribe now. Thanks for your time. Traffic volume at the intersection of Lauzon Parkway and Tecumseh Road East is among the highest in Windsor, with about 30,000 vehicles per day recorded on Lauzon Parkway in late 2024. In 2024, this intersection was already reported as one of the city's most dangerous, experiencing 45 collisions, largely attributed to heavy traffic, left turn movements, and congestion during weekend and weekday peak hours. As of 2025, traffic at Lauzon Parkway and Tecumseh remains intense, with observed congestion, especially during morning and evening rush periods along with Saturday shopping peaks. The ongoing construction of the new East End bus terminal and the new Costco has caused intermittent lane reductions, modified signal timing, and detours, leading to longer queue lengths and more complex pedestrian crossings. The new bus station construction has triggered temporary changes and minor delays, but primary vehicle traffic disruptions will ease after completion in 2026. Once finished, the city's transportation impact study found that while the intersection will generally operate at levels of service during the afternoon, evenings, and Saturday peaks, Critical movements such as northbound and westbound left turns may reach volume to capacity ratios, indicating maximum congestion. The opening of a new Costco and associated business development on adjacent lands will further increase traffic. Projected increased traffic generation for the new Costco site is 1,483 net new vehicle trips during Saturday peak hours, up to 1,031 trips for weekday PM peaks, and 309 for AM peaks. Intersections along Tecumseh and Catherine Street will see significantly higher queues and congestion, with weekend shopping periods expected to push key intersections into overcapacity conditions at times. Additional access roads and upgrades are in progress, but delays, overflow parking, and traffic backups are expected, especially during major retail events and peak times. By 2030, the area will experience further increases in daily traffic volumes, longer queues, and more frequent congestion, particularly at the intersection and access points to major retailers. Planned infrastructure improvements, including lane expansions, advanced signal coordination, and potential interchange and upgrades at Highway 401, are expected to help, but the intersection will remain one of Windsor's busiest and most challenging for traffic management. In summary, the new Tecumseh Lauzon Bus Terminal represents a significant improvement for East Windsor transit users, with expanded routes, upgraded amenities, and design adjustments prompted by active community input. However, the combination of the new bus terminal, Costco, and adjacent business development will elevate traffic demands in an already congested corridor, with 2024 volumes set to rise sharply by 2030. City planners are responding with targeted upgrades, but motorists should expect increased congestion, especially during peak times and retail events. Our subscribers commented, "Still, going to be better for me to head out to Walker Road Costco from Bell River by taking 401 all the way. Hopefully this new location will make it a tad bit less crazy at the first Costco location." A shout out to Serge for the logical comment. I believe Serge is right considering the information. The question is, if the growth of traffic is outpacing the current infrastructure upgrades being done, is the city doing enough to moderate Windsor and Essex County's growing population and the extra traffic it brings? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested. Like, share, hype, and subscribe to keep these informational videos coming. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.